Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to insert bricks along x-axis or along y-axis and plotting your data in Veusz. So here I am on Veusz and I have already added the widget for plotting data. If I click the plus sign, there are x and y axes and I want to remove these axes. So I select x axis and then I press the cross button and similarly I click the cross button to remove the y axis. Now from the axis option I add two new axes, add axis broken. So I add one which is along x-axis and then I add another one which is along y-axis. So I added new axes, but these axes carry the option of inserting brick. You see over here, brick pairs are introduced. So now I import data and I already have this data, so I just import this and the two columns are imported. So I close this window and I add plotting widget, and here I add column 1 in the X data and column 2 in the Y data. It is now plotted, and now I come to Y axis and I add a pair. For example, I want to remove the data from point 3 to point 5. So here I add 0.3, comma 0.4. So I want to insert break for this amount of data, and if I click enter on my keyboard, you see the break is inserted along y-axis. I can add multiple breaks. For example, I want to insert a break from point 6 to point 7, so I put here point 6, comma point 7. Oh, I miss a comma at this position, so I want to enter comma over here. So the widget will take the numbers in pairs. So one would be inserted from point 3 to point 4, and the other break would be inserted from point 6 to point 7. Now, if I click enter, you see here another break is introduced in the data. So you can add multiple breaks along a given axis. The same I can do with x-axis. If I select x-axis at this position and I come to break pairs and I want to insert a break here around 0, so I choose minus 0.8 to not 0 point minus 0.4 to 0.4. I want to insert this break along x-axis. If I click enter, you see the break is introduced and the data is obviously modified accordingly. So this way you can add breaks in data either along x-axis, along y-axis, or along both axes at the same time. And similarly, you can insert multiple breaks in the data. Thanks for watching.